And they're very concerned about the tube wastage in the recovery boiler because they're going to be running it at a higher capacity. And so they looked at weld overlay, they looked at tube replacement. My name is Paul Strauss. I am Vice President of Corporate Accounts at Integrated Global Services. We have an account in Jackson, Alabama. It's a pulp and paper mill. In 2021, the mill decided to expand their tons per day from 2,300 tons per day to 3,600 tons per day. This will put a lot of pressure on their major equipment because they're adding another paper machine to the mill. And they're very concerned about the tube wastage in the recovery boiler because they're going to be running it at a higher capacity. And so they looked at weld overlay, they looked at tube replacement, and they also considered the metal cladding by IGS. We were much faster, we were much cheaper, and so they decided to go with us. In October 2022, IGS mobilized the site and applied 4,500 square foot of coating from the primary airports up to a little over the tertiary airports, which was probably a 25-foot high band on all four walls in the recovery boiler. From an operations standpoint, IGS did wonderful on site. We were on time, on budget, no safety-related issues, and the mill was very, very pleased. Since that application, the mill found another opportunity for IGS at their Counce, Tennessee mill. We applied a 8-foot band of coating on their rear wall where they were seeing severe tube wastage. Nothing slipped through the cracks. The quality was excellent. And again, no safety issues. So it was a win-win for both parties.